Tell him.
Come on, Rock, it's okay.
Come on. Rocky's a 157-pound Rottweiler who's going to have ACL surgery. He's getting the cart in anticipation of using it as he rehabilitates from the surgery.
Come on, look at Sweet Pea's coming.
Yeah, Sweet Pea's doing it. Look at her go.
Come on, look at it.
There she goes. Come on, Rock, you can do it. Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh, 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 oh. Freak out, freak out. Little freak out here. Oh, yeah. Downhill is fast, I know. Yep. So Rocky's a little afraid of this cart right now. He doesn't really understand why he's getting it. But once he has his ACL surgery, he'll be really grateful because he would not be able to safely rehab from surgery without the assistance of a cart. The cart's going to take weight bearing off, and he'll heal up really well. Good boy.